Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a profile and a profile view in Civil 3D, just like the one that you are seeing right now. So here you can see we have an existing surface, and if I open it up in the object viewer, this is what it looks like. You can see that it's just a hill on a slight gradient. So in order to create a profile and a profile view, we must first create an alignment. So I'll just draw a polyline to begin with. So now I have my polyline, and I'm going to click on alignment, and I'm going to click on create alignment from objects. And so now I'm going to select this polyline and press enter. And I'm going to press enter again because I'm happy with the direction of the alignment. And Civil 3D is going to open up this dialog box, and I'm going to select Site 1, and I'm just going to leave the rest of these options as it is. Okay, cool. So now we have our alignment, as you can see here. So I'm just going to click on this alignment now, and we're going to go to Surface Profile, and this is where we can create our profile. So you can see that we have our existing ground levels surface here, so I'm going to click on it and I'm going to click Add, and so now our surface has been added to our profile list. So the profile has now been created, and we can now draw it in a profile view. So I'll click on this here. This is where we customize our profile view, and you can see I have some predefined profile view styles here, as I'm using the Australia and New Zealand country pack, which I've linked in the description below. So I'm just gonna use the 1x exaggeration here, and this just means that the profile view will have 1x vertical exaggeration, which is basically no vertical exaggeration. And this is where Civil 3D sets up our station range, and this has been configured for us automatically. This is simply the length of our alignment, where it starts from 0 and it ends at 59.371 meters. And again, our profile view height has also been configured automatically, so we can just leave this as it is. And this can be left the same as well. So here we are given the choice to customize our bands located at the bottom of our profile view. So you can see that the country pack has also provided me with some predefined options. I'll just select ANZ Basic for now. And you can see that we're getting these bands that will be shown on the profile view. This will make more sense once we have drawn our profile view. We're not going to be using this section for today, so we can just skip it and create the profile view. Okay, so now I'm just going to select the profile view origin. Cool, we've now created our profile view. I'll just move it over here a bit, just to see it a bit better. In order to understand our profile and profile view a bit better, we can click on the profile view and select the station tracker. So if I click on this and I select all viewports, you can see now that when I hover over the profile, Civil 3D is showing us which section of the profile we are hovering over. And I can also hover over the alignment, and it will show me where I am in the profile, which is very useful. If we take a closer look at the profile view, we can see that we have design levels and we also have existing levels. However, in our case, we only have an existing ground surface. We haven't created a surface with design levels. So in order to get rid of this band here, we can click on the profile view. We can go to profile view properties. And you can see here that this is where we can customize our bands. If I just drag this across slightly, you can see that the design levels is represented by this band here, ANZ Design bracket P1. We won't be needing this band for today, so we can just go here and click on delete, and then click apply, and then you can see that that band has disappeared. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope this video was useful to you, and thank you guys for watching.